Welcome back. Okay, so I'm just here to open this package because I'm excited. I don't know what's in it. Like, I know what's in it, but I don't know what's in it because this is something that was sent to. There are multiple things in this package. Oh, sweet Jesus on a cross. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes. You know what's funny? I almost, oh, this is gorgeous. This should be facing y'all. I almost bought lip stuff today. Oh, bitch, it's up. Okay. Whew, I'm excited. Okay. What? I'm excited. Oh my gosh. This is, you know what? First of all, I didn't realize this was gonna be so small. Like at all. This is so funny because I was literally looking at makeup today and I was like, I need to buy a better primer. Which one is this? Mystic Pink. Okay, this looks so much better in person. I am so excited to use this. Oh my gosh. I'm about to be amazing. I mean, I already am, but like, yeah. First of all, girl, lip plumping. These need any plumping, but I'm putting them on anyways. I don't care. Don't be chai. That's so funny because I actually love chai. I was also looking at a lip injection thing, like a lip plumping thing, but I was like, I don't need any lip plumping. And look at God. This is so cute. Okay. It goes on nice. Oh my God. It's like a gloss. It looked like a bomb. This is nice. Plumping Clicks lip gloss. This is more than I expected. Like, so much more. And I'm so excited and so grateful. But there's that. I gotta do my oh my gosh. Okay, so we got those two. What's this one? Pillow Balm Ultra Hydrating Nourishing Lip Treatment. I love a lip thing, you know? Love it. I'm gonna go cry after this video. I just want y'all to know that because, like, one, I love free shit. That's one. And two, ooh, you know, I'm not a pink girl, but this shade of pink always gets me. Like Barbie pink. Well, I shouldn't say Barbie pink. I love like hot pink. Oh, okay, wait. My lips feel warm. Not warm, but like it's doing. Is this really actually doing something? Oh my God. Give your pot a powerful plump appearance through a kiss of dewy high shine color with a nourishing lip balm stick that melts on for intense hydration and shine with a fresh. Like, does this smell like strawberry? The blossom makes lips look plumper, but our lawyer wants you to know this formula is completely needle free. You may experience a slight to intense tingle. Yeah. Apply only within perimeter of lips. If applied on skin, a temporary redness may occur. If any discomfort is present, remove and discontinue use. Keep away from children. Yeah, it's tingling. It's tingling. I mean, I figured most lip plumpers do a little tingle thing. I need to read. This is not a plumper, right? This is just a pillow balm. Can't wait to try this. You know, when I say grateful, gratitude really is a must. But yeah, Smashbox always on setting powder. That's, you know, that's it. That's that from the bike. Yeah, yeah. A cute little box. Yeah. And what I'm really here for, I shouldn't say that because this is really what I'm here for. This, oh, yeah. Pore vanishing primer. Like, I was literally looking for primer today. That's why I ended up in a makeup outfit. I was like, I should get primer. And I ended up not getting any. But we're gonna try this out, see how it does, see what it does for the girls. I have very good feelings about this though, because like, the person that sent it is a makeup artist. So yeah. Yeah, we're gonna try this out. It says a pea size amount. Okay, how big do you think my head is? Over makeup for touch-ups or part with da 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 da. I'm excited. I'm excited. So excited, and I cannot hide it. And I'm about to lose control, and I think I like it. This thing has my lips like tingling for us. It's not like uncomfortable, but it's just like, hey girl, that's what's happening. But yeah. Please puss. Yeah, very, very please puss here. Anyways, I put this up back in the box. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Just put this in the background here. A little product placement. Yeah, that's there. This one I could just put off to the side. See, we got it. Just ignore all the crap I have here. All the things I have going on over here. But yeah, thank you so much. And I'm gonna take this off as soon as I finish recording, because how long is this gonna tingle for? Do my lips look plumper? Do they look... Are they doing it? I don't know. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Check out, you know, all things Pointless, Pointless Talks, Pointless Crafts, Pointless Creates, Pointless everything. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and just like everything else we do here, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless unboxing. Bye!